If you're interested in getting a loan in Nigeria without BVN, so I'm going to show you some apps which of course you can use to get a loan in Nigeria without BVN. But then these apps are only available on Android App Store, which is Google Play Store. They are not available on Apple App Store, so you don't have to bother checking them out. So these apps are actually working perfectly as at when I'm making this video. So you all know different apps have their own terms and conditions. They can decide to just change their times tomorrow and include a new features to it. But then right now, they're not gonna ask you for BVN before you can actually borrow money from any of these apps. So the first one you can check out on Google Play Store is Fast Send. Fast Send also have a features where you can buy airtime with 25% discount. So it's currently giving out a loan to people in Nigeria who are very much interested in getting a loan without BVN. So you can see total download on this app is 100,000, overall rating is 3.1, and total reviews so far is 937 reviews. So I'll advise you to jump on this if you are very much interested in getting a loan in Nigeria without BVN. So this app is working and you can check it out as fast as possible. The next one is Monthly NG, which is another loan app in Nigeria that offer a quick rent loan without BVN as well. This app have also generated over 50,000 downloads. Overall rating is 3.3 and total reviews so far is 188 reviews. So this app is available on Google Play Store for anyone who is interested in getting a loan in Nigeria without a BVA. So you can just go on Google Play Store and search for Monthly NG. Then you'll be able to see the app. Then you can download it and borrow money as you want. So I don't know the exact amount you can actually borrow without being on a limit, but then I'm very sure you'll be able to borrow money from them. The next one is Palmpay, which is another instant loan app in Nigeria that you can borrow up to 250,000 naira without BVN as it was stated. The total download on this app is over 100,000. The total review is 5,400 and the overall rating is 4.2, which means this app is actually good and is giving out people a loan. So no collateral included, then no paperwork included, no hidden fees included. Safe and secure free ATM card, so you don't have to be worried about when they ask you to link your ATM card to the account. Low interest rate and flexible and safe loan. So you can check it out today and let me know if PrimePay is the one that will work best for you as one of the instant loan app in Nigeria without BVN. So check them out today. The next one in this video is urgent 10K. So let's say, for example, you are interested in getting a quick 10K loan, which means you don't want more than that. So with this particular app, you can get a loan of urgent 10K without BVN required. And they also offer a maximum of 1 month to pay back the money you borrow from the app. So you can say it's just like a quick loan. You might just be stranded somewhere or you just need quick 10K to sort out some small bills. So you just have to just come down to Google Play Store, download this app, and you'll be able to borrow up to 10,000 naira. The overall rating on this app is 100,000. The uh, total download, the overall rating is 2.9, and total reviews so far is 832 reviews. So, which means people are still checking out this app and people are still downloading the app. But then, it's not available on Apple App Store if you are using an iPhone, or if you have an Android device, you can also go to Google Play Store and find the app if you are very much interested in getting a loan without BVN. So these are the apps that I've found out there that offer instant loan without BVN in Nigeria. You can check them out today and let me know if they all work for you.